Hi guys, good morning and Eid Mubarak. So I hope you guys had an amazing month if you guys were fasting, and I hope you have an amazing Eid. I'm sorry if I've been gone for far too long, but the truth is Ramadan has been very chaotic and hectic this year, plus my exams are about to start. They're gonna be soon, so exams and homework and studying and everything just got all mixed up. But I promise that I did not forget you guys. And today, we're not going to be sharing any recipes, but I'll be sharing with you guys what a typical morning Moroccan iftar table looks like. And I'm so excited to show you guys because I love how it looks right now. So I want to show you guys. So we're going to start with what the overall spread looks like. We've got a lot of varieties here. So we'll start with what I put at the center of the table, which is something really nice and thoughtful of my dad. He brought me this chocolate spread platter kind of thing because it is my birthday and I was actually born on Eid. It was in November, but it was Eid at the time, so I was born on Eid, and therefore this is a small gift from him to me because it's my birthday. So we're going to start with the staple of a Moroccan Eid breakfast, and that is the rghaif or msimmen. This is the rghaif. These are cooked in the pan, and they are filled with cheese and za'atar. I believe I've posted this recipe a while back in my channel. And we have the fried ones. Typically they're big ones, but since they're kind of overwhelming, we just make small ones. This way it's easier to eat and they also look more appetizing. And we've decorated, some are garnished with sesame seeds and some are garnished with almond slices. And now we have Moroccan Bread, and this is for my brother. He's been giving us a headache about these. He's been telling us to make them because to him Eid means nothing. The Eid breakfast table means nothing if these are not present. And now we move on to the sweet, and all of these are homemade except for two, which I'll show you guys later. So this is the date one. These are filled with dates and dusted with powdered sugar. This is ka'b ghzal, which has a almond filling in there. This is the cornstarch sweet, which is my absolute favorite. This is a lotus one, and this is a gharibiya. And unlike other gharibiyas that I've made in my channel, these are made with almonds and walnuts. So this is what it looks like. Moving on, we have cake over here. This is a simple apple cake. It has apple in there, and there are just garnished it with some toasted almond slices. And the second sweet table, this is what we call the Turon Suite because it's nice and nutty. It reminds me of a Turon. This is what was left over from the ka'b ghzal dough and filling. This is a huge mixture. It's just we used up whatever was left over and we've mixed it all together with some chocolate sweetened condensed milk, and we've garnished it to give us this. This is Moroccan fqas, and these are peanut sweets. These are baked and they're peanuts with sesame seeds, and we've dusted them into powdered sugar. And this is another peanut sweet, except for this is a no-bake peanut sweet, and we've put some chocolate in the center and dusted it with some sesame seeds. And of course, these are for the baghrir, or sometimes also rghaif. We use them. So we have butter, honey, chocolate for my brother, and some apricot jam. And now we move on to the stuff that we bought. So these are baraziq, which are a sort of Arabic sweet, and they're made with they have sesame seeds, and they're really good. And these, I believe they are tuiles. I just call them sweet chips, but I think their name is tuiles, and they have different flavors. So we have plain coconut, I think this is pistachio, this is some sort of nut, I don't really remember. But these are the two things that were store-bought for this Eid. So this is our very humble Moroccan Eid breakfast table for this year, for Eid 2022. And if you guys want any recipes, a lot of them I believe are up in my channel. And I only filmed 2 recipes this year because genuinely the timing is really tight this year, and I'm very much on a time crunch. So I really apologize for this. I really didn't have much time. I filmed 2 videos which will be uploaded soon, hopefully. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this breakfast spread. And of course we have here a box of chocolate because I love chocolates and no Eid is complete without chocolatey things. And this was another gift by my parents for all the efforts that we put into the iftar table throughout the month, and how hard we work really on both Ramadan and the channel and everything. So now I'll just switch to speaking Arabic. So عيدكم مبروك المتتبعين ديالي اللي كيهضروا عربيه، و نتمنى تكون كنتو كاملين معايا، نذوقكم كاملين، وواخا زعما هادشي سامبل وفطور متواضع. كاينه شكرا بزاف على الدعم اللي كتعطيو لي، وميرسي بوكو على كل شيء، ومبروك عيدكم، وكنبغيكم بزاف، بوزه كبيره لكم كاملين. وما تنساوش لايك، سبسكرايب، كومنت، نوتيفيكيشن بيل، وميرسي بوكو على كل شيء. ولي ريزو سوسيو ديالي حتى هما فيسبوك، انستغرام، تيك توك اي ديسكورد. اي او ريفوار، باي باي.